Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the sweet holiday earrings. Now this is a really quick and easy project, so all we're going to need is a couple of head pins here. I have some 6mm Swarovski crystal pearls. I also have some 8mm as well, and I have some 4mm bicones and some leverback earring hooks. Now the only tools that we're going to need is a pair of round nose pliers, a pair of chain nose pliers, and a pair of flush cutters. So if you have everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. So this is so simple. We're just going to take one of our head pins here. Now I've chosen a ball head pin just for a little extra something something. And I'm going to slide on one of my 4mm bicones, one 6mm pearl, one of my 8mm pearls, and then just reverse that by adding on another 6 and then that 4mm bicone. And we're just going to slide that all the way down until it's nice and snug at the bottom there. So go ahead and come in with your round nose pliers, and what we're going to do is we're going to grip just above where that bicone is, just like so, and just go ahead and bend that backwards just a little bit. Now wrap that wire up and over the top of your round nose pliers, and we're just going to rotate our pliers and then finally bring that across to create that simple wire loop. Now we can go ahead and remove our round nose pliers, come in with our flush cutters, and snip off that extra wire, and we can just set that aside. That's just a little scrap wire. Now what we need to do is come in with our chain nose pliers and bend that loop backwards just to open it up a little bit so we can slip on our leverback earring hook. And now we're just going to come in with our pliers and close that up. And we have one earring all completed. Perfect. All right, so let me show you the second one really quick. It's going to be the same, but that way you get to see that little round nose, that simple wire loop one more time. And this is a great little project, and this simple design can be done in so many different colors. You can use various colors, and what I would recommend is this would be a great bridal project if you wanted to use all white pearls, or you can choose really great little bridesmaid colors to go in here. So that would be really fun too. So wrap that up and over the top, and you can see that I'm really close to the edge because I want to create a nice little small loop there. And snip that off, set that aside, and then just come in with those chain nose pliers here and open that up, slip it on, and just come in and close that up. And we are all finished. So that is how easy it is to make these sweet holiday earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see more videos and get all of these supplies by heading over to Beadaholique.com.